Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix mail error, network error POSIX 96. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. After updating to iOS 18.1.2, an issue may occur where mail cannot be downloaded using the native mail app. Each attempt to refresh or sync mail may result in the following error message stating, "Cannot get mail, the connection to the server failed, network error POSIX 96. To resolve this error, it may be necessary to remove and reconfigure VPN settings. For this, you need to follow these steps. First, you'll have to delete the VPN profile. For this, open the Settings app, go to General, scroll down, go to VPN and Device Management, go to VPN, select the VPN profile and tap Delete, and you are done. But an important note, simply turning off the VPN won't fix the problem. The VPN profile must be completely deleted, and we are done with the first step, which is deleting the VPN profile. Now you need to restart your iPhone. Once the VPN profile is deleted, restart the iPhone. This ensures that any residual settings or cached configurations are cleared. Now in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to test the Mail app. For this, you can open the Mail app and attempt to download emails again. In most cases, this should resolve the error. If the VPN is still needed, reinstall the VPN app and we are done testing the Mail app. Now, if the VPN is still needed, reinstall the VPN app and re-add the VPN profile. The new installation will configure itself for the updated iOS environment. Now I'm going to tell you some additional tips. First, you can check network settings, ensure that Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable and that no other restrictions such as parental control or content and privacy restrictions are interfering. Tip 2. Also update the VPN app. If the VPN is reinstalled, ensure that the app is updated to the latest version compatible with iOS. Now for the final step, I'm going to tell you how to re-add the mail account. If the issue persists, consider removing and re-adding the email account in the Mail app. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Apps, scroll down, go to Mail, go to Mail Accounts, select the email account and tap Delete account, then add it back and test, and you're done. I hope this video will help you fix the mail error POSIX 96. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.